Hello guys, and welcome to this video tutorial of Autocad 2018. Today I'll be showing you how to model a simple bearing. So I'm here on Quality Bearings Online. I've got a 6003 to RSL deep groove bearing, 17 by 35 by 10, so that's my internal diameter, that's my outer ring diameter, and that's my width. And I've got a little diagram here. So from this information I will be drawing and 3D modeling that bearing. So I'm going to start by drawing my center line. I'm going to create maybe some layers first. So maybe that's going to be called center. Maybe another layer for the rings. Another layer for the balls. Maybe another one for my 2D lines. Maybe another one for my shield. So I'll make my shield black. And all of the other ones will be probably gray. I'll change my line type, my center line. Okay. So I'm ready to start. So I'm going to draw a line for my center. This line is going to be 10 mil, which is my overall width. I'll change my scale, LTS. I'll make it 0.01. That's fine. It's a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to use my offset command now. So if my internal diameter is 17, then the radius will be 8.5. So I'm going to type 8.5. Actually, before I do that, I'll swap layers. And then I'll go on 2D lines. Okay. So offset 8.5. Sorry, so my line went on the center layer. Swap that. Okay. So next one, I'll use another offset. For this drawing, I know the distance to the internal part of my inner ring, which is 10.5 0.35. Then my next distance is 15.7. And now my outer diameter, which is, my radius will be 17.5. So what we'll do now, because we're offsetting them from the center line, that's why they're coming up as dotted lines. So I'm going to use match properties command, match prop. I'm going to select a source object, which is this one because it's on the 2D lines layer, and I'm going to select all the other objects that I want to transfer to the same layer. Okay, so now they're all in the same layer. I'm going to draw a line from here all the way up, and another line from here all the way up. I'm going to draw the cross section of one of the balls. I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to hold shift and right click to open my on snaps, and I'm going to say midpoint between 2 points. So it's going to be between this midpoint and this midpoint. And my radius is going to be 3.05. Perfect. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create the shield, the groove for fitting the shield. So I'm going to use offset again, and the distance is going to be, I'm going to make it 0.2 mil. And I'm going to offset this one again, 0.2 mil. I'm going to draw a line from here. I'll make the start point on 0.2 mil, and I'll draw the line. Actually, I'll make it 0.3. I'm going to trim that. I'm going to use the fillet command. I'm going to type in R, press enter, and my radius is going to be 1 mil. I'm going to select this line. Oops. I'll select this line and this line. Oh, sorry, 0.1, not 1. Enter. This one and this one. So now I'm going to trim all of this. And I'm going to mirror it. Actually, before I mirror it, I'll do something else. You will save time. So I'm going to join all of this. I'm going to offset it. and my distance is going to be 0.1 mil. This direction. It's not doing it for some reason. See, I'll try 0.2. It's a bit too much. It's not letting me do it, so I will explode it in this case. And now I will offset all of that by 0.1. Okay, maybe that was too big and that was the reason why. 0.01. There we go. Seems a little bit better. And now I'm going to mirror all of this onto this midpoint. Didn't mirror it quite right, so I'll do it again. They believe that is because the inner and outer rings have slightly different diameters. So I'm going to use, again, Alt Shift, right click, snap, make the midpoint between 2 points, and it will be between this point and this point. That's perfect now. Now again, I'm going to highlight a new stream. And now I'm going to draw a line from this endpoint to this endpoint, and from this endpoint to this endpoint. Okay. So now I should be able to mirror all of this onto the other side. Probably before I do that, I will first join all of these. Now I have to trim some of the lines, so I'll use the trim command again. Okay, so now I can proceed this part. So I'm going to maybe Maybe I'm going to offset this circle by 0.1 of a mil. A 0.05 actually. I'm going to highlight all of this. I'm going to trim. So this line, this line, this one, this one, this one. I'll mirror this line on the other side. And I will trim this two bits off. Now I will draw a line going across the circle. And I'll trim half of it. You will see why in a minute. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to join these two lines to the rest of the profile. Join. So that's all joined. Wait a minute, I will undo that. So ideally, I should trim these two lines first. Now I should be able to join them. I'll use my blue selection tool. Join. And I will also do the same at the bottom. Join. So I have one profile, 2, 3, 4, and I need to join these two as well. So I have one profile for my inner ring, one profile for my outer ring, another one for my ball, and two of them for my shield. Now I'm going to go in on isometric. I am going to change my view style to conceptual. I'm going to change my layers to balls. And now I will use revolve. So I'll select this profile, press enter. I'll select this endpoint to this endpoint as an axis, and 360 degrees will be the input. So 360, enter, and I've got this. Okay, so I'm going to create an array polar. Before I do that, I will change my UCS. So I'm going to, my origin is going to be at the center of my center line, and my set axis vector is going to go in this direction. So my XY is now perpendicular to it. The reason why I'm doing that is because now when I do my array polar, I want these balls to spin around the z-axis. Now my center is going to be this midpoint, and I want 10 of them in total, so I'm going to type it in here. And I'm clicking close array. Right, there we go. Next one will be both my shields, both of my rings. So I'll change my layer. Rings. Now I'll use revolve again. I'll select both profiles. Press enter. Next is going to be this axis, and I'm going to turn it 360 degrees. Okay, so we've got most of our bearing now. Now we'll create our shield. So I'm going to go on my layers. The reason why I use separate layers is because if it's more convenient, I can turn them on and off now, and I can turn my rings off if I want to gain more visibility. Well, in this case, it doesn't really matter, so I will put it back on. I'll go my shield layer. Now when I go on revolve, and I select this profile, this profile, enter. Now select one of the endpoints of my axis. Let me go in this direction, and it's going to go around 360 degrees. So I've got my bearing already, all modeled. Now I can go on back to my wall DCS. I'll turn off my center layer. And I can maybe get a 2D view of my bearings, so I'll just use the flat shot command. Maybe a side view as well. So this is actually how you model a simple bearing. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.